Alright people, how are you doing? Daryl here. Now I'm on my way to pick up my next birthday present, which you guys will already know what it is by the description. It is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch 256 gig memory. Now we ordered this on Saturday, ordered and paid for it on Saturday. The shop was having a deal on Apple products, and it took this long to get it. It is now Thursday. New Zealand's not a very big place, nor is if you're running specials or running deals on Apple products, wouldn't you make sure that you have them in stock? The biggest deal that they were running, they were selling the MacBook Air cheap, like I think it must have been about $300 off or something. They had heaps of them in stock. iPad Pro, no. Heaps the 64 gig or whatever they are, but not 256. So, well, they had one in rose gold and I wasn't having rose gold. So I got a text just now. It is, must be about 4:30. They're late night Thursday, so they're open till 7, but I'll get there by then. But it's not like it would have just turned up either, so you know, the courier driver or whoever delivered them, it would have been a morning delivery. Sure, they probably swap hands, sorry, I'm driving at the same time looking at the phone. Surely it doesn't take them all day to go through their deliveries, but I don't know, it could do it, you know, who knows. So I'm on the way to get that, so later on I'm going to unbox it. It's not going to be anything special because I just really want to rip into it. You guys have probably seen hundreds of unboxings on YouTube, so this one is not going to be any better than anyone else or any worse than anyone else. So I'm just going to open the box, open it up, see what's in it for the first time. I've been wanting one of these for, gee, since when they were 9.7 inch. But I'm gonna work it. I'm gonna work it and work it and work it. I'll show you all the fittings that I got, or you know, all the extras that I got with it. It's gonna be replacing, or it's gonna be doing the work that I would expect if I brought a laptop to do, and it's gonna be doing some of the workload that I do on my iMac that is in the office. So I'm going to work this hard and I'm going to put it to its tests. I've watched plenty and plenty and plenty and plenty of videos or YouTube videos on the iPad Pro being a laptop replacement. This video, in fact, I will edit and chop and do all that just on iMovie on it, because I haven't got, I won't have a program probably until the weekend for it, but just to see how it goes. Probably going to be a learning curve. Alrighty, so I've just been to the shop. This video is going to be a bit more grainy because we got a bit darker. But I ordered it Friday, actually, last week. So it's been Friday morning I ordered it, and it's now Thursday night. So it's been basically a whole week to order a common stuff. Everything else was with it. Everything else that I ordered was there except for the iPad. So, but there it is. Right. There's a bag full of goodies. So yeah, next time I'll be opening them. Okay, so now we are finally home, and I got my bag of goodies here. Like I said, this is going to be a quick unboxing. So I've got the iPad Pro, whichever way up it's supposed to go, 256 gig 10.5 inch. There's that. Got the keyboard, the, what do they call it? The slim combo. Apparently it's ugly, but it's really practical. And since I am going to be using the iPad Pro as a laptop replacement, been advised to get the pencil. So that works out good. Then I've got the USB camera adapter, which is what you use to be able to hook up. I've got a Snowball mic that I plug into my Mac. With that I can plug it into the iPad Pro. And then I just got an external hard drive, 3 terabyte. That's nothing to do with this package really. Right, so we're just going to be fast. Open up my trusty knife. Oh dear. It's only plastic. It's only plastic. And like I said, it's been a few years since I've been wanting one of these, so this is it. Those boxes that you open and it'll suck up to the lid and drop and smash. Here it comes. The slow reveal. Shut up. It's a box. Here it is. Now I love it how Apple puts all their products together. It's like we do. Here we go. Here's the iPad Pro. Oh, it's very skinny. Space grey. I don't want to touch the... It's already got a mark on it from me. I don't want to touch the screen. Obviously the charger. You're not meant to get all this stuff out. It's just there for show. Oh, that's the book. There's the other part of the charger. You guys, that's it, I think. Go through that later. Now I've got a pencil here. Should be able to. Why don't they make it easy to get in? And then this here must oh Look at that. Did you see that jump? Over it. Stuck there by a magnet. That's the keyboard. And that's all powered up by this, so it didn't have its separate power. Closed up, and you can see why people say that it's ugly, because it's quite fat. But it's fine. Magnetic closing too. So there we have it. That's it. And so this video, all going well, will be edited on this iPad. Let's power it. No, I'm not going to power it up because I'll be here all night trying to set it up and you'll get bored. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Ta-ta.